video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Facebook using your Gmail account. We'll guide you step by step, making this process as easy and seamless as possible. So let's get started and ensure you can quickly and easily access Facebook through your Gmail credentials. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like to use for surfing the web. In the address bar at the top of the window, type in facebook.com and hit enter. You'll be taken straight to the Facebook homepage. If it's your first time on this platform, the page will generally show the login fields and possibly some introductory content about Facebook. But don't worry, we're focusing on the login section for now. Once on the homepage, you'll notice two main fields where you need to input your details. The first field is for your email. Make sure to enter your full Gmail address, which should look something like user@gmail.com. Double check for typos as they can prevent a successful login. Next, enter the password associated with your Gmail account in the second field. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so ensure caps lock is off unless intended. Accuracy here is key. Once both fields are correctly filled, locate the login button beneath them and click it. If your information is correct, you will be taken directly to your Facebook newsfeed, where you can browse posts, connect with friends, and catch up on the latest updates. Here are a few additional tips. Always make sure you're logging in over a secure network to protect your personal information. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. If you often forget your password, using a password manager can help you keep your credentials safe and easily accessible. Another helpful feature is to bookmark the Facebook login page in your browser for quicker access in the future. You can also set your browser to remember your Gmail login credentials, but only do this on a personal device. If you encounter login issues, use the Forgot Password link to recover access. This will guide you through Gmail verification steps to reset your password. By following these steps, logging into Facebook with your Gmail account becomes quick, secure, and convenient. Thanks for watching and happy login.